I gotta rate your fit, Nelly. I gotta rate your fit, Nelly. That's a 10 right there, okay? That's a 10. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Now, as you guys realize, I left my camera in my car yesterday. I keep telling you guys this. I can't really do no reactions. You understand me? So I'm trying to do this reaction right now. I got my laptop on deck right here. Oh shoot! See, first mistake. I'm about to drop the speaker. But you guys knew I got pranked. And the funniest thing is, the video was posted the day off I got pranked by Neily. Neily, don't start something you can't finish. That's all I have to say. People, let's see how she did this, how she played it out. Because obviously she called me on Instagram. I was shocked. I was shocked to get a call from the Nelly. You don't the life of I ain't gonna hype you up because girl, I hate pranks. Look at her. Let's look at. Did my video get 500 likes, right? Let's react to this video, guys, and just see how it turned out. Alright, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'm telling you right now, watch yourself. Remember, you're not in Trinidad, you know. You're in America, and I'm in America too. Go on, Tyreek, run through.
Let me see how I'm gonna tell you this. But I know you have a girlfriend and stuff, right? So I wanna see your response. You know, I kinda liking you and stuff and
Normally, I would be dancing to your intro, but not today.
what is up, Neily gang? Welcome back to my channel, yo. You'll see that title, you'll already know what's going on. Now, most of y'all have seen the video Tyreek just posted. You know that I like Neily.
Nelly. Look at the smile on your face.
No, what is it? 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 I don't want to lie to it. Right? It is. I think Neily likes me. Right? So.
Am I lying?
I think I'm about
Am I lying?
Now everybody knows Tyreek have a girlfriend, right? And I respect everybody's relationship, right? But I'm about to prank him, the I like you prank on Tyreek. So you guys, I just woke up. I'm about to get ready. You know, I'm gonna take a shower and stuff, and then I'm gonna come on camera, and I will be. I think I will call him instead of texting, because I don't know how long he's going to.
That's
take
your
to
plan.
respond.
That's your plan all along, right? That's how you plan to prank a person. And you gotta be it and look good. Cause
and you know, I like you and thing. But all I know, it's just a prank. I know you have a girlfriend. It's just a prank. So I'm about to get ready, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, y'all. So
I gotta rate your fit, Nelly. I gotta rate your fit, Nelly. That's a 10 right there, okay? That's a 10. Why am I smiling? I'm not, no smiling, no laughing today, no joking, no talking, no smoking, no.
So I'm out the shower, and I'm about to do this now. I don't know if I should just call him randomly. I don't know if I should just call him randomly or message before anything. But I'm just going to call.
Which man that I text you? Well, on pause. Which man that I text out before? No man, no fear text you, yo.
This again all ahead, I know he have a girlfriend. I just going to do this just to see his reaction, you know? Just to see his reaction of the situation. Most likely he's gonna turn it down and try brush it off, I hope. But let me get into this. I'm going to screen record right now. Right? Alright,
I'll
so
see
let's see how he takes.
when she talks, guys. When she talks, let's look at her lip. Let's look at her lip, her act, her tongue action. Let's look at her. Tarek, you just got pranked. You should be smiling right now. You should be
This. And again, it's a prank. It's a prank
rubbing
also.
it in.
I'm going to screen record right now. I'm calling now. It's ringing.
On Instagram too, you know.
That's if he answers.
Imagine. I should answer.
Hi Tyreek.
Hi, Tyreek.
How are you?
Okay.
You busy? You could talk? You could talk right now or not?
I'm actually here lately, but not busy at all.
Alright, cool. I want to talk to you pertaining to something not really it may be a little off to you, but I see like how you're doing these videos and the titles and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
let me see how I'm gonna tell you this. But I know you have a girlfriend and stuff, right? So I wanna see your response. I kinda liking
At this moment, guys, I was like, what is she coming on about now? What's she gonna do? First of all, I was shocked she even called me. Second of all, look how pretty she is calling me. You don't put a whole chain on that, do all of that just to call someone you don't like. So I was kind of like, I was thinking of,
stuff and your vibe and how we in the same YouTube business.
mm-hmm.
You know? Yeah. I know you have a girlfriend, so it's kinda weird.
I don't know what to digest this. What you're saying to me?
Why you being shy, Tyreek? That Tyreek right there you're looking at is a sim.
So
That's not me. That Tyreek was
No,
just,
I don't have
he
a
just woke up.
boyfriend.
He just woke up. He wasn't thinking right, that he was actually getting pranked.
Yeah? What kind of
I
comments?
think you know what I'm talking about.
What kind of comments?
Something about some kind of chop, whatever, who chop boss, who's that person?
You see her face a while ago? Something a go on.
Chat boss?
What?
Diane Artist, he's a part of Z-Tech. That is not my boyfriend.
You say you like me, it's a shocker because you say yourself, I got a girlfriend.
Why is Tyreek? No, hold, pause. Why Tyreek moving like a sim? Why Tyreek talking like that, yo? Tyreek, bro. Tyreek. Why is Tyreek acting like that? That's not the reaction boss right there. That is not the reaction boss, yo. That is someone else. Reaction boss ain't no damn sim. Reaction boss a girl is reaction boss to the girl magnet. So I don't understand why him a move so right now.
You saying, like, I'm making a videos like YouTube and shit. Not that you're like not looking. You're beautiful.
Why you got them on notification on?
Trouble.
We get all cute and all, but this call like, oh, Neily.
I be making her laugh. You telling me she only did this video for a prank? I see what you're trying to do.
Yo, both.
Let's see me and something.
Huh?
You being serious? You being serious?
Yes, very serious. Very, very serious.
Got a girl.
How didn't I see that coming? How didn't I see that?
Well, I was hoping that your reaction would be, I'm not sure because,
Everyone ain't gonna lie. Everyone saying, yo, you got.
Here's $100,000. Wait, I can give you this 100 grand, or I can teach you how to make this every single month. You see, this is exactly what I made. And
I'm gonna do something that you guys should never do. Never do this on me or Nelly's video. Never do this, okay? Watch the ads.
Guys will go together, blah blah blah. They ain't wrong
That's how we
there.
get paid.
Neily.
Oh shit.
I don't even know what to say, man. I'm speechless. You do that.
That yes don't sound like it's a prank, yes. That yes don't sound like it's a prank, yes. We back, guys. Somebody just called my phone for real. I'm gonna know why people are calling me them time here. But run back into the video.
There's another headache now.
But I just wanted to tell you because, you know, I see people trying to push it too. So I was like, yeah, boy, I should tell him one time too because people pushing it like me and you should be together and things. So I say, yeah, boy, let me try this. Let me see what he was saying.
I'm not entertaining this. If you guys want to watch a full prank, I have not watched it yet. It's on Nelly's video, not Nelly's channel. Link is down below in the description. You understand me? Go
We have a girlfriend.
subscribe to our channel. But let me say this and let me say this once. You started a prank. You first do it. You started it. Nelly gang. You ever hear about the reaction gang? It's alright, Nelly. It's okay, Nelly. I'll see you soon. I got my 500 likes, you know. I got my 500 likes. It's alright.